Ken, it seems like ASEAN has always kind of been lagging from the rest of Asia. What do you think is really kind of weighing it? Is it really just down to the fact that we see this resurgence in COVID cases?
Yeah, I mean, investors are hoping that the start of the vaccinations would help the economy recover over here. But so far, it's been a pretty slow start to it. So in the second quarter, Thailand, Philippines, and Malaysia had combined equity outflows of the most since September 2020. And whether or not the vaccinations really get going will hinge, cause the recovery there.
Ken, tell us how the vaccination drive is going in Southeast Asia, because it is not even across the board. We've certainly seen a big ramp up here in Singapore just in the last week, but more broadly, tell us where we're at.
Yeah, I mean, Southeast Asia has more than 600 million people, but it's been a pretty slow start. In Indonesia, the Philippines, and Thailand, less than 10% of the population have been vaccinated so far. And I think in Malaysia it was 11%. That compares with the 20% global average. So it's not really getting going that fast.
And why are there big bond inflows then, Ken, in the region?
Yeah, that's an interesting one. The bonds in Asia have a lot higher yields than other places. Like I was just looking, Malaysia was about 3.3% yield right now. Philippines is 3.9%, and that compares with 1.5% for U.S. Treasuries. And there's also just an expectation that the inflation in Asia will be pretty benign. So if the Fed gets going with this tapering, that might help it a little bit.